In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the profile background on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to change the profile background on the PlayStation 5 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Firstly, navigate to your profile. You can do this directly from the home screen by selecting your profile or by pressing the PlayStation button and scrolling over to your profile section. Once you're in your profile settings, select Edit Profile and then navigate to the Cover Image option. At this point, you might notice that you can only change it to existing screenshots on your PS5. To use a custom image, you can navigate to the game base and access messages. Send a message to another account or a friend, ensuring it includes a link to an image you'd like to use as your background. Access the web browser through the message link and navigate to a preferred image. Once there, take a screenshot using the Share button. After taking the screenshot, access the media gallery, edit the screenshot, crop the desired image, and save it. Now, return to your profile settings, go to Change Image, select the edited screenshot from your media gallery, and set it as your cover image. After selecting and applying the image, allow the system a moment to update your profile background. Once updated, visit your profile to see the new background image you've selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.